Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, RV Sarasa. At ngayon, pag-uusapan na naman natin ang tungkol sa rosemary, ang mga health benefits nito, at ano ang mga pwede nating gamitin, saan natin pwedeng gamitin ito sa ating mga pang-araw-araw. Ayan, so please stay and watch the video. Ang rosemary ay inilarawan bilang isang makahoy, ang matagalang halaman na maaaring maging isang pulumpong. Ang mga dahon ay evergreen at parang karayom ang hugis, rosas, lila o asul na mga bulaklak, at gumagawa sila ng mahahalagang langis na nagbibigay sa rosemary ng katangian nitong pabango. Ang mga ito ay madilim na berde sa itaas na bahagi at ang ilalim na bahagi ay may siksik na takip ng mga ikli, puti, makapal na buo. Paano ba magtanim ng rosemary sa mga pots? Ang lumalagong rosemary sa pots ay nagpapahintulot sa inyo na dalhin na ito sa loob ng bahay sa panahon ng malamig na panahon. Maaari ka ring magtabi ng mga lalagyan sa isang patio o deck malapit sa iyong kusina para madaling ma-access habang nagluluto. Pumili ng isang pot na bahagyang mas malaki kaysa sa root ball ng halaman. Tiyaking mayroon itong mga butas sa ilalim. Anong mga sakit ang pinapagaling ng rosemary? Ang rosemary ay ginagamit sa katutubong gamot upang maibsan ang ilang mga sakit, kabilang ang sakit ng ulo, dysmenorrhea, pananakit ng tiyan, epilepsy, sakit sa rheuma, pulikat, pagkabalisa ng nerbiyos, pagpapabuti ng memorya, hysteria, depression, pati na rin ang physical at mental na pagkapagod. Anong bahagi ng halamang rosemary ang pwedeng gamitin? Sa paglilinang, ang mga dahon, sanga at namumulaklak na mga bahagi nito ay kinukuha para magamit. Ang rosemary ay ginagamit bilang isang pandekorasyon na halaman sa mga hardin. Ang mga dahon ay ginagamit na pampalasa ng iba't ibang pagkain tulad ng palaman at inihaw na karne. Rosemary oil has been used for its healing, medicinal and psychological effects for centuries. Research has shown that an antioxidant, rosmarinic acid obtained from rosemary, could possess neuroprotective effects in neuroinflammation and oxidative stress. The leaves can be eaten fresh or dried, and it is popularly consumed as a tea or infused oil. Paano gumawa ng rosemary oil? When you're ready to make your own batch of rosemary oil, get excited because you only need 2 ingredients: 4 fresh sprigs of rosemary and 2 cups of olive oil. Directions: cut enough fresh rosemary to fill your mason jar. Pack the clean mason jar with the clean rosemary. Fill the jar with olive oil until the rosemary is completely covered. Place the jar sunny window for about a month. With the holidays mindset a little longer, and strain the infused oil into a clean jar. And there you have it, rosemary oil. What are other benefits of the rosemary oil? A potent antioxidant rosemary oil and leaf extract has been shown to have astringent qualities and help protect the skin and prevent signs of premature aging. It helps to calm down skin conditions like eczema and acne and skin allergies. Its carnosic acid content possesses antimicrobial properties beneficial for skin healing and cleansing. This oil can help balance your skin's natural oils. Whether your skin is dry or the oilier side, rosemary essential oil gives your complexion the elements it needs. It has been also used for its ability to stimulate cell growth, to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, as well as stimulate hair growth to help it look and feel healthy. With its ability to trigger circulation and lymphatic drainage, rosemary oil helps to visibly remove toxins from the skin. It combats dull-looking skin or even fight the appearance of cellulite to rejuvenate your complexions. Its scent can also help to instill clarity and enhance memory. Ayan, so anti-aging siya, and you can also use rosemary oil in your humidifiers. So it's really the scent is really very nice. So we can actually try this. Make our own rosemary oil. What food is rosemary used in? Alright, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga pagkain na pwede natin lagyan ng rosemary. Rosemary is used regularly in Mediterranean cuisine and complements foods such as soups, casseroles, stews, fish, bread, stuffings, meats, and roasted vegetables. You can use rosemary wings as skewers and make carrots for grill or the oven. You can also infuse olive oil with fresh rosemary. Here are the best rosemary recipes to use with this fresh herb. The evergreen flavor is perfect for adding flavors to potatoes, breads, dips, and more. And now, the top rosemary recipes to try. Alright, so let's get started. What are the food that where we can use rosemary? Number one is roasted potatoes. One of the best rosemary recipes out there. So, rosemary roasted potatoes. Potatoes and pine-scented rosemary are the perfect pair. Here, the potatoes are roasted with thinly sliced lemons, infusing them with tangy flavor. Instead of squeezing on the juice prior to roasting, you can thinly slice the lemon and place it on top of the potatoes while roasting. This brings out a much more intense lemon flavor, and it's just the right brightness for the earthly rosemary. Next is rosemary tea. Did you know that you can make herbal tea with fresh herbs of rosemary? Try this tasty rosemary tea. In just 5 minutes, you have a cup of restorative herbal tea. This tea has a fresh piney essence. Combine it with a touch of sweetener and a squeeze of lemon for the perfect flavor. It's a fun way to make DIY tea, and it makes drinking your daily water much more interesting. Alright, another one, guys, where you can use rosemary is the lemon rosemary Here's a super simple rosemary recipe for entertaining lemon rosemary cucumber water. Adding this fresh herb to water with cucumbers and lemons makes for a tasty, easy, and healthy drink. Let it marinate for a bit and you'll get a super refreshing drink for minimal effort. The rosemary branches can make it look simply stunning. And finally, apple cider sangria drink garnish. Rosemary is perfect as a drink garnish. Here it's shown in our apple cider sangria recipe, a perfect cocktail for fall and winter. It's robust and dark, featuring apples, pears, and orange soaked in Spanish red wine. Add a beautiful rosemary sprig and serve it up two-toned with apple cider on the bottom and red wine on top. Ayan, so yun ang mga benefits na pwede nating makuha from rosemary herb. Pananaliksik ko lamang ito, guys. So, I know na marami pa rin kayong alam kung saan ginagamit yung rosemary na to. You can search further online to see a lot more na mga food at ano yung mga other benefits ng rosemary herb. Okay? So, andito na lang muna magtatapos yung ating video. Salamat sa panonood at sa aking muling pagbabalik sa isa na namang vlog about the benefits of a specific plant. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.